So, good evening, everybody. This is V from the Cute Kitchen. I am actually making this video for my daughter, Ellie, because I bought her these little K-cups, and she opened it and put it upside down in there. I don't know why. I guess I should have been watching a little closer. So, honey, this is how it works. This is her... it's a single cup maker, but a single cup coffee tea maker. Anyways, I don't remember what the name brand is. Grammy bought it for her for Christmas. So the K-cup stays closed. You put it into the bottom, you push it down, and you see, you don't open this, you leave it closed, and then this little pusher here goes into there, and it locks. And then we open the back. Sorry about that. And we put the water back there. And just fill it up. There you go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's a little blue part that's supposed